Let's scale those premium property portfolios totally passively. Seriously ask yourself, are you managing a luxury asset or just working a grueling 24/7 job? At a massive $1.83 trillion globally, the stakes in the luxury rental market are absolutely huge. It's the luxury ownership paradox. Owners work exhausting hotel-level hours just to maintain an illusion of perfection. The real villain? The physical entropy layer. Constant mechanical wear and tear silently bleeds your operating income dry. The fix is shifting from reactive commodity hosting to proactive, highly systematic asset governance, a total game changer. Enter Ultralight corporate leverage. This means keeping structures incredibly lean and nimble, dodging bloated payroll drag entirely. Elite operators architect fractional roles. They deploy technical remote specialists and local inspectors precisely when they're needed. To escape daily logistics completely, you've got to build this fully autonomous, 3-step field vendor loop. The very second a smart lock registers a checkout, your API instantly triggers an automated cleanup dispatch. But watch out for the squirrel paradox. You still need physical reality bridges, like those local inspectors. Using predictive IoT sensors to monitor equipment actually cuts emergency repairs by a massive 40%. Next, mandate photograph-validated manifests. Vendors upload photos mapped against 3D digital twins to verify designer finishes. Then, automated billing software cross-references those verified photos to trigger vendor payouts instantly. No manual approval needed. Because it guarantees perfection, this elite asset governance easily commands a premium 20 to 30% fee. Why pay that? Because the ultimate goal is totally separating your human time from your capital output. Centralized cloud command hubs secure absolute passive detachment, protecting your creative bandwidth for high-yield allocations instead. Ultimately, true luxury is the absolute operational invisibility of the systems keeping everything perfect behind the scenes. To get there, build a sovereign system playbook. Turn every vendor contract into an institutional operations manual. So I'll leave you with this. Is your portfolio genuinely exit ready or just another incredibly stressful job?